The Shannon Estuary is the largest waterway in Ireland and is one of only two in Europe that flow into the Atlantic. It hosts a wide range of habitats, including sandbanks, salt marshes, lagoons, and islands. Many of these habitats are protected, the estuary being the most important site in Ireland for wintering waterfowl and waders. Also protected are otters, 4 species of fish including salmon, and a resident group of bottlenose dolphins. The Shannon dolphins are the only known resident group of bottlenose dolphins in Ireland. The waters of the estuary provide everything they need, so while most dolphin groups are transient, the Shannon dolphins are not. No Shannon dolphin has ever been recorded away from its home. This stability provides a tremendous opportunity to study the bottlenose dolphins, and this site is one of the most important in Europe for research.
Look at that! Wow! It's chasing a fish right past the boy. Coming straight in here.
Established in 2000, the Shannon Dolphin and Wildlife Foundation is a focus for the investigation and conservation of these dolphins and other wildlife in the area. The foundation runs a monitoring, research and education center. The high encounter rate and year-round presence of the dolphins makes the estuary an ideal location to test new equipment and research techniques. A popular technique for studying bottlenose dolphins is photo identification. Individual dolphins can be identified by distinctive marks, particularly on their dorsal fins. By building up photographic records, the movements of individual dolphins can be monitored. Researchers can see which dolphins calve, which dolphins associate together, and how the dolphins use the estuary. Visual information is useful, but dolphins depend more on sound than sight, and it is important to develop an understanding of their acoustic world. Dolphins use a wide range of sounds: echolocation clicks, whistles, groans, barks, and gunshots. They use echolocation clicks to navigate and find food, and whistles to communicate with each other. Every dolphin is thought to have its own unique whistle. The Shannon Dolphin and Wildlife Foundation is pioneering acoustic research on dolphins in Ireland. They use acoustic devices called pods to monitor the presence or absence of dolphins at different sites in the estuary. The pods log the echolocation clicks of the dolphins and can be left out in the estuary for months at a time. These pods are recovered regularly, and the information is downloaded for analysis back at the research center. The foundation also uses a hydrophone to record the whole range of dolphin vocalizations. This underwater microphone is secured to the seabed, connected to a computer, and records all the sounds in the estuary. It is important to register the background sounds as well, such as boats, power stations, rain and tides, to understand how these might impact on the dolphin's world. By using this hydrophone, the Foundation is building up a catalogue of dolphin vocalizations. This could become a kind of dictionary of dolphin vocabulary, from which they can continue to build an understanding of the dolphin's needs. The special area of conservation status has helped to establish a balance between the needs of the dolphins and the requirements of human activity. Activities such as dredging or geophysical surveys can affect the dolphins and as such are managed accordingly. Tour boats operating on the waterway adhere to a code of conduct so that they do not impact on the dolphin habitat. They also provide monitoring data which helps to ensure sustainable tourism. The Shannon Estuary holds a delicate balance between high conservation value and industrialization. The dolphins have been resident here for hundreds and possibly thousands of years. They are at the top of the food chain, and their well-being reflects the well-being of the whole estuary. Organizations in industry, commerce, tourism, and conservation must work together to maintain the development and sustainability of this important waterway. It is essential to monitor the dolphin population and their habitat to ensure that they continue to thrive in the estuary for generations to come.